In this slide, you can see an actual code how to implement an abstract class using an abstract function. So just for the sake of convenience, I will compare it with a normal class, and then we will change the same class to abstract by modifying it. So let us start. And for the sake of convenience, I will use the same BMW car class that we have used earlier. As you can see, in both the places I have used the same BMW car class, which has like three different functions: make engine, make interior, and make body function. So let us see. So the first, in the upper half of the slide in here, you can see basically the normal implementation of the BMW car class, which we have already used. And as you know that, well, this BMW car class, then in normally it has a make engine function, which is basically printing this 380 horsepower. So basically it has a function implementation already inside this opening and closing curly brace. On the other hand, this make interior also has an implementation, and it is printing basically leather covered seats. Similarly, make body also has its own implementation, function implementation, and it is printing fiberglass comma white color. So this is a normal class with all the normal function. Normal function means so which has a function body. It has its own implementation. Now here in this lower half of the slide, let us try to change it to an abstract class. So how can you do that? First of all, to define an abstract class, again you have to use abstract keyword before you start writing the class. So just see, in a normal class it started from class BMW car, and when I am making it abstract, I am adding an extra abstract keyword before the class. So that's the first thing. And after that, what you need to do, an abstract class must have at least one abstract function. So abstract function means what? A function which has only heading but no implementation. So here let us see what I am doing. So first I am doing like this make engine, which has its own implementation. So this is definitely not an abstract function. And then make interior, then again this make interior also has its own implementation over here, over here. And this is also not an abstract function. But look at this make body function over here. So this is the function. We have just skipped the make bodies implementation over here, and also we have added this abstract keyword before this make body function. So now in this abstract class we have an abstract function. So now this BMW car class is an abstract class with an abstract method of make body, which does not have its own implementation. So what will happen now? Now if after making this BMW car as an abstract class, if now some child class inherit this BMW car class, then that child must implement this make body function in its own way, because there is no default implementation in this parent abstract class. So it is totally child's responsibility to re-implement in its own way. Otherwise, there will be an error. Well, we are going to clarify this concept again in the next video with another Java demo code example.